designing, building, and manufacturing this keyboard for myself. Custom 40% layout I designed myself. 40% means no arrow keys or numbers. The keyboard itself is made up of a bunch of these clear acrylic sheets, all custom cut out to size and stacked up on top of each other like a sandwich to make the keyboard body. To cut these acrylic sheets, I had to buy and build one of these little CNC machines. I did all of the cutting here in my little apartment's kitchen. It was very difficult to learn how to do and very messy. I also had to learn how to design all the parts on the computer. It's got a bunch of neat features like this fully programmable rotary encoder dial I built into it. Also got custom RGB lighting, whether you want to turn it on and off, adjust the brightness, or even cycle through all the different modes. You can see the RGB strip on the underside here. And while we have it upside down, you'll see that the keyboard is entirely hand wired. That means I soldered every single one of these joints and wired them up to this little chip and programmed it myself. And lastly, because I know you guys are going to ask, I don't plan to sell these unfortunately, I'm just doing this for fun. If you do want something similar to what I have though, the only thing I can think of that's similar to it on the market is the Work Louder keyboard. Very similar design with the 40% and the knobs and everything. Anyway, thanks for watching.